Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end. To unblock someone on WeChat, firstly, go ahead and open up your WeChat application. It will take you to the home page of WeChat. Tap on Contacts at the bottom of the page. Click on New Friends. Search for the person you would like to unblock or scroll down and tap on Person's Contact. On the next page, click on three dots at the top right corner of the page and all you need to do is slide the slider of block to the left side to unblock the person. This is how you can unblock someone on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.